I am a very happy person when I'm anywhere near water. I grew up in Chennai, India, and I think what made me want to be in this water industry is my upbringing. Chennai is like the Florida of India. The second largest beach in the world is right in our backyard, but we have little access to high quality potable water. There were times when all we could live on were allocated buckets of water that every family could get. You had to all run down, get your allocated number of buckets, come back up. And that is all the entire family could use unless you kept boring deeper and deeper to access the groundwater and you were using the groundwater. Really made me think that this was a global problem. This wasn't going away, and that I wanted to do what I could. Being exposed to how we cannot take basic amenities for granted. That's why I'm so passionate about it. I genuinely wake up in the morning wanting to get started on my day. I look forward to what's the next problem I get to solve today. It means the world to me to be a client's trusted advisor. It means the client trusts me to take on their problem as it is my own and give them the best solution that there possibly is. Not just immediate, short term, but also something when we turn back and our names are associated with it, that, oh, Hazen built this facility and it's been working really well. That's what we're shooting for.